Hi everyone! In this quick video I'm going to show you how you can save a picture to a Chromebook and then use it in any of your projects, such as open it up in Photopea. So I've got a picture here on my website that I want to save to my Chromebook, and I just put my cursor over the picture. I go down to my keypad and I'm looking for the Alt key. I click it, keep it pressed and press the left side of the click on your touchpad once, and when you go back to the picture you'll see that these options appear. You can then save image as. Now at this point, this is where you have two options to save. So the first one is that you can save it to your files. If your Chromebook allows you to save directly to the Chromebook, you can save it in your downloads. If it doesn't, you will need to save it to your Google Drive. You might want to create a folder, so you can make new folders there to keep your files organized. So I've made an images folder, and then down here you may want to choose a suitable name. So I'm just going to call this Photopea 1 because it's a project that I'm going to do in Photopea, and then press save. Then I go over to Photopea, I go to File, Open, and I find it in my Google Drive where I've just saved it, in my images folder, and there it is there, Photopea 1. Okay, and that's the picture. I can do the same thing if I'm trying to find an image on Google. So here's some beautiful scenery pictures. Make sure you click on the image that you want to save, because these are just thumbnails and they're quite poor quality when you save them. So you want to click on it and get the bigger version of it on this side. Again, put your cursor over it, go down to your keypad, find the Alt key, keep it pressed, click on the left key once, go back, and you will see that there are options. Save image as, go to your drive, it's already set up to go into my images folder, and I can press save. And that is it.